Early this morning, it looked like to infinity and beyond, but what's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Tuesday, June the 1st, and hope everybody had a great Memorial Day holiday and you paid tribute to our veterans and fallen soldiers and current actives, because, of course, without them, I couldn't do what I do and you couldn't do what you do. So let's make sure that every day we thank them and memorialize them. And, of course, obviously they do have a holiday. But in the meantime, this update will be brought to you by the CTG Group, one of our brokerage partners. Now, I have many brokers, but one of my preferred for futures and commodities is CTG Group. And, of course, why? Well, A, they do a great job, great customer service, and we've authorized them as our only letter of direction partner. And, you know, look, they do a great job. They handle all my accounts. They've got some great managed futures products. If you want some more information, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, the markets were soaring early, and it looks like they're souring now, with the NASDAQ, after being up almost 100, is now down 40, actually off its lows now. The Dow, which was up almost 300, is now up 90. The S&P is up 250 after being up 25, and the Russell is up 109 after being up over 200. So what I tell you is that it's suddenly changed. Now, again, the trend hasn't changed, but the actual market action today has changed slightly here, and we'll see what goes on from here. We've seen also a fairly dramatic turnaround in the gold market. Gold was higher, it is now lower, and silver is higher but is well off its highs. Platinum is also higher and still holding steady. We are long gold and silver. We don't trade platinum because of the lack of liquidity. Crude oil is exploding, up 2.25, and still off its highs, but up 2.25. The grains are exploding. Up. They're all three are basically up in the 30s. Okay, 35 cents or so. Corn, soybeans, and wheat. And, of course, we're long beans and corn now and short wheat. The meats are, what the hell are they doing? The cattle is getting crucified. Okay. Feeders are down about $3.50. Fats are down about $1.50, and hogs are down about $0.50. We're short both fats and feeders. And, of course, still long in the hog market. Copper is now lower. I mean, it's all over the place, but we have reversed it to long. Nat gas is higher, nicely popping, and we are now long. So, again, you can see the movement. Bonds and notes are getting cranked, which is not a surprise, considering that we've warned about, the bond vigilante, so to speak, that are trying to tell the Fed that they don't know what they're doing, which we all know they have no idea what they're doing and have never, ever been right on any of their decisions. So this time should not be different. In the soft world, you've got cotton exploding higher, which makes sense. Actually, they're all up big. Okay, we're short cotton, long coffee, long sugar, long OJ, short cocoa, and the whole complex is higher. Okay, which is not a surprise. Take a look at the grain markets. Okay, but at the end of the day, okay, this is the market you have, and it's going to be somewhat volatile, somewhat wild, and we do expect, commodities to really have an explosion that ties in with the markets and what's going on in the general market. So it's not like it's a total shock that these things happen. They're going to happen more often. Okay, so also the dollar is under pressure, which again is not a surprise because you've got the idiots at the Fed manipulating it and cutting it lower. I mean, that's pretty basic. So in the meantime, remember our other partners. We have our other brokerage partner, which is Tradier. And of course, I repeat, we have other brokers, but Tradier is our preferred for equities and options. and they've got also great customer service, but $10 a month is hard to beat. Okay. Saves me 5 figures a month. We've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your trading if you choose. There's no cost for it. It comes as part of your membership, and there is no cost by trader for it. So it just ties in with your $10 a month and your automation for trading. Our great partners at Family Farms, and, listen, they're great people. They do a great job. And, they have the same interest aligned with us, which is to help farmers protect their money. And I can't wait for the July event, in which we'll be in, I think, Chesterfield, but somewhere we'll be out and out spouting around. And don't forget the commodity report, Andy Hecht. What a report he writes. Phenomenal. And we're just coming up to the quarterlies again, which are unbelievably detailed and accurate. And you got to check his stuff out. And that's at Technomental at BUBBATrading.com, and our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, everybody have a great day. And we always appreciate you being here. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.